welcome back to my channel. This is Dhanashree Naik and today we are starting with lesson 1 of class 8 French. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here's lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Dans la salle de classe, means in the classroom. So in this lesson we are going to learn basic greetings, gender, indefinite articles, the verb être, nationalities, vocabulary related to classroom, time and prepositions. But in this lecture we are only going to cover 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. I will read and translate it in English line by line. No need to write the translation now as I have given it at the end of the video. So let's get started. 1.1 Dans la salle de classe. Karan and Rucha Deshmukh are now living in France. It is very exciting to live in France and meet new friends and to go to a new school. Their parents are scientists at the Centre National de la Recherche Scientifique, CNRS, and they are posted at Grenoble, France. Grenoble is a city in France, and Centre National de la Recherche Scientifique means National Center for Scientific Research. Here we find Karan on his first day in the French school. Karan is at the door asking permission to enter. He says, "May I come in, sir?" The professor replies, "Oui, bonjour, comment tu t'appelles?" Means, yes, good morning. What is your name? He says, "Karan, bonjour, monsieur." Karan is not an expert in French. He is also learning French. That's why he is saying bonjour, monsieur, like this. Professor replies, "Et ton nom de famille c'est Deshmukh, n'est-ce pas?" Means, and your surname is Deshmukh, isn't it? Nom de famille literally means name of the family, but in English we say it as surname. So, et ton nom de famille c'est Deshmukh, n'est-ce pas? Means, and your name and your surname is Deshmukh, isn't it? This is a boy with red t-shirt is Karan, and he is asking to the professor the permission to enter. Karan says, "Oui, monsieur. Et comment vous appelez-vous, monsieur?" He asks, "Sir." "Yes, sir. And what is your name, sir?" Professor replies, "Je m'appelle Robert Renoir." I am Robert Renoir, or my name is Robert Renoir. And he tells the students, Les enfants, voici un ami indien, Karan. He tells the students that here's our Indian friend Karan. Les enfants, the students. Ami, friend. Indien, Indian. Karan says, merci, monsieur. Thank you. Thank you, monsieur. Merci means thank you. Then Jean and Helen says, "Salut, Karan. Bienvenue dans cette classe." They say, "Hello, Karan. Welcome to this class." Karan says, "Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup, mes amis." Professor says, "On dit bonjour quand on rencontre quelqu'un et on dit au revoir quand on part. Passons à la leçon." Means, one says bonjour when one meets someone, and one says goodbye when one leaves. Let us move towards the lesson. Here I have written wrong spelling of rencontre. Instead of Y it should be T. Okay. On page number 6 there is one small box at the right hand side. It means expression clé, means key expressions, and also there are greetings. Bonjour means good morning or hello. Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name or what is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? The difference between two is that the second one we say to the younger persons and the third one we say to elder persons. Je m'appelle and the name of the person. Je m'appelle, my name is. Merci, thank you. Monsieur means sir, madame means ma'am. Au revoir, goodbye. 1.2 Bonjour. Here are also some greetings and certain scenarios, like when you meet someone older or someone you don't know. Here is one uncle saying Bonjour, comment allez-vous? And the girl replies Bonjour monsieur, je vais bien, merci. That uncle is saying to the girl, Good morning, how are you? Girl is replying, Good morning sir, I am fine, thank you. Then also when you take leave, the girl says Bonjourne, have a good day. There are two girls beside. The first one says A bientôt, see you soon. Then the other girl says A demain, see you tomorrow. We are done with 1.2 and we are going towards 1.3. 1.3 La salle de classe de Karan means in the classroom of Karan. They have basically described the classroom in this part. Dans la classe, il y a des étudiants et des étudiants. In the class, there are some male students and some female students. The difference between two étudiants is that the first étudiant is without E and the second étudiant is with E. The one without E is male students, is used for male students, and with E is used for female students. Il y a des bancs pour les étudiants. There are some benches for the students. When we say together, like girls and boys together, so we use the masculine noun. So we use the étudiant without an E. Les sacs sont sur les bancs. The bags are on the benches. Le tableau est contre le mur. The blackboard is against the wall. Les livres, les cahiers, les stylos et les crayons sont dans les sacs. The books, notebooks, pens and pencils are in the bags. Les étudiants sont devant le tableau. The students are in front of the blackboard. La professeur est devant la table. The professor is in front of the table. Tableau means blackboard and table means table. Il y a aussi une chaise pour le professeur. There is also one chair for the professor. La porte est à droite et les fenêtres sont à gauche. La porte means the door is at the right and the windows are at the left. Et Karan, où est-il? And Karan, where is he? Yeah, that's all for today. And I've given the translation and vocabulary at the end of this video. You can take the screenshot of the same, and do not forget to like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. For any suggestions or feedbacks, you can comment me below. I will be soon meeting in lecture 2. Till then, stay hungry, stay foolish.